how to mute someone on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mute someone on your WhatsApp. Let's dive right in. Open up your WhatsApp app and then go to the chat list where you want to mute the person. Tap on their profile in the top. Now you can see notifications option, tap on it, and then you can see mute notifications. Now, once you tap on it, you can see you can set it to 8 hours, 1 week, or always. So you can tap on always. They will not be notified that you have muted their chat. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.